In today's video, I'll show you how to create a custom mockup template in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Uploads section. Drag and drop the image you want to use as your mockup right onto the canvas. Make sure your image is high resolution so your design looks sharp and professional. Next, click on Edit to access Canva's editing tools. Here, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and colors to make your base image look its best. Then, scroll down to the Mockups option. This is where the magic happens. Canva gives you a range of mockup styles, from digital screens to magazines to apparel displays. Choose the one that matches your project. For example, if you're designing for clothing, select an apparel mockup and watch your design blend seamlessly with the template. And that's it. You've created a custom mockup in Canva that makes your design look polished, professional, and presentation ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.